Patients who have medical needs are being waiting in the emergency room while COVID patients take up those beds.
The fourth wave won't be easy on already worn out healthcare workers. Quebec emergency rooms like the Shim Hospital in downtown Montreal are filling up with mainly unvaccinated patients. This as the pandemic has pushed hospitals to their limits.
I think you're starting to see the toll that this pandemic is having on the healthcare system, because a lot of personnel are quitting, are retiring, are leaving. And it's difficult because, you can build more hospitals, you can open up more beds, you can build more ventilators, but you can't replace personnel that easily.
79.5% of Quebecers 12 and older have gotten their 2 shots, while 86.6% are inoculated with 1 dose. Non-vaccinated people represent the majority of new cases and more than half of the new daily hospitalizations. The health minister tweeting those not fully inoculated are 8 times more likely to contract COVID and 20 times more likely to be hospitalized.
I think a lot of people don't realize how much a hospitalization causes a chain reaction in the healthcare system. So if you go to the emergency room, you're taking up a space in the emergency room. If you then have to get admitted to hospital and go to the ICU, you're taking up a bed in the ICU. And if you're taking up a bed in the ICU, that means somebody who needs that ICU bed because they just had surgery can't get it, which means that surgery has to be canceled.
When COVID-19 first hit the province, tens of thousands of elective surgeries were canceled or postponed so nursing staff in hospitals could focus on patients with the virus. Now it's nearly 150,000 patients that are waiting for surgery in Quebec. The provincial government wants to reduce that to 100,000 by March of 2023, but healthcare workers need a break.
Our healthcare system right now is on edge. We have nursing staff and healthcare staff that are burning out. We have patients that are lacking treatment and are suffering as well. So it really must be a priority to get vaccinated.
In Montreal, Samsara Rainville, City News.